And today, I'm going to show you with great pleasure how to paint proper Luke Skywalker from the Star Wars Legion Starter box set. So let's go ahead and grab our proper Skywalker glove for painting our proper Luke Skywalker. But as always, before we can get to that painting, we gotta listen to one of my Sophies.
Hi, I'm Sophie, won the 700 Selfless Promotion Succubus. It's been 2 seconds, so by now you should be in my power. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Oh, and if you think we did a really good job and want to help us grow, leave us some love on the thanks heart. Now go watch Bald Ross do his sweet thing, making models ting, then watch the end of the video for a surprise.
Okay, my people, we're going to start out making our Skywalker look like proper Luke Skywalker with alternating coats of first leather and then charred brown. We're going to go ahead and bring in Mr. Makeup Brush and do our initial shading layer with white, and then we're going to tag in Mr. Airbrush and do our initial shading layer with Agrax Earthshade. Finish off our layer combo here, we're going to go ahead and bring in back Mr. Poofy Makeup Brush and do one more whole model layer with white. Now it's onto our layer brush for his belt with one layer of black. And then we're going to go ahead and tag in our dry brush and go back over everything with some stone gray.
Now we're back to our detail brush once more, only this time we're going to use black wash. Keep on making Mr. Skywalker resemble his proper self, this time with our detail brush and another layer of Acrax Earthshade. We're going to do our initial layer of Mr. Skywalker's hair, and for that we're going to use simply yellow. Next, we're going to go ahead and get the face and hands with flesh shade. Start darkening our Skywalker hair, we're going to use one layer of Acrax Earthshade. For the buckles and buttons, we're going to hit it with one layer of shiny steel. For the signature Skywalker lightsaber, we're going to use alternating Arctic blue, white, sky blue, and finally a blue wash to give it that Skywalker shine.
Now what you've all been waiting for, the rotating reveal. Thanks for watching. If you want Studio Baldross to paint something for you, check out the links on the homepage or Etsy. And don't forget to click on our other videos.